Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see what is Web3. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet that aims to give users more control, ownership, and privacy by using blockchain and decentralized technologies. Web3 is an internet where you own your data, apps run on blockchains, and cryptocurrencies and tokens are used for payments and governance. Also, it has smart contracts to automate transactions without middlemen. The core technologies of Web3 is blockchain, which is the foundation, like Ethereum or Solana. There are also smart contracts, which are codes that run trustlessly with no middleman. There are also cryptocurrencies, of course, used for payment, NFTs, DAOs, and decentralized apps, which are apps that live on a blockchain. Some examples of the Web3 projects are Ethereum, MetaMask, OpenSea, Uniswap, and Lens Protocol. So bottom line, Web3 is about shifting power away from corporations and giving it back to users. By using decentralized technologies, it's still in the early stages, but it has the potential to reshape the internet, finance, gaming, and even governance. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.